feeling.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So tired. So many videos the last weeks, and a lot of stuff has been done. But guys, for the first time, I'm gonna be waxing my car with this liquid wax. But yeah, let's do this. I'll show you guys the process. So first, I need to wash the car, and oh my gosh, it's so dirty. Haven't washed it. Look at that. But yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys what I do to clean my car, and here's the process. So I'm just gonna take these two buckets. This one has towels. This one is the water bucket with all the supplies. Gosh, guys, look how dirty this is. Oh my gosh. I pulled the hose out here, so that's good. So guys, I'm gonna start right now. I'll show you guys. So now guys, I finished cleaning the car and drying it off. It's good. I'm going to start with the shady side because it's best to do wax in the shade. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on my little pad thing here and then do sections at a time. So like this fender, whatever, this door. I'll show you guys before and after, and then also my paint's pretty good, so but yeah, it's kind of hard to tell you. See those scratches right there? I'm hoping to get those fixed out. This is my first time doing it, so I'm not going to be good, but let's see. This was only like 10 bucks or whatever. Alright. Put a little on. Oh, okay. I don't know how much I need, so I'm going to do it on the hood so I can see the difference. Alright guys, here's the car. It's crazy. Here you go.
It's a new dawn. Birds flying high. 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 It's a new dawn. Birds flying high.
Oh my gosh, it changed the car so much. It makes it so much smoother. It took out all the easy scratches, so it looks so smooth and clean. So first you want to wax on and wax off. When you wax off, use a microfiber cloth. And when you're doing that, to tell if you can't see, like with the silver, it's hard to see if you have wax on it still. So basically what you can do is get the microfiber cloth, wipe it on a normal spot and see how like fast it is, and then go to the spot where there is wax, and you'll see like it's harder, it's more like you feel the wax. So that's one way to tell if there's wax there or not. No scratches. Let me know if you guys enjoyed that video. I'm climbing up here barefoot, risking my feet with snakes and ants to get this shot. But guys, I really hope you enjoyed. I wish I didn't have this and this in the way, because this is a good shot. Guys, I just figured out an amazing hidden secret on my car right now. Oh my gosh, I need to show you guys so much. I need to show you guys this. It's insane. So as you can see, that I have the halo lights, and that's all I thought they were, until I found if I turn on the parking lights. Anyways, if I turn on the parking lot, the halos turn on, dude. Oh my gosh. I thought I had some cheap headlights that someone put on there, and they're supposed to be halos, because the halos didn't work. But guys, the halos work. It looks so cool. While I'm at it, I'm going to mention the first problem I've had with this car, and it is power steering. As I'm turning through turns, it gets hard sometimes, like it's hard to turn. I have a leak in my power steering pump, and that's like $100. Not too bad, but I don't want to pay $100, so we'll see how long I can last without it. Peace out, boys and girls. Maybe.